So in this project, we are going to develop Employee Manager using ASP.NET Core MVC. We are going to be using tag helpers to build the user interface, and the database will perform basic CRUD operations using the Entity Framework core. We will also perform some data validation using the data annotation attributes, and we will implement user registration and signing in using ASP.NET Core Identity. Alright, so let's start coding. So I'm going to create a new project, and we want to create ASP.NET Core Web Application. So I'll select that, click Next, and I'm going to name it, let's say, Employee Manager. Click Create, and here we have a choice. We can start from empty, or we can use the template for Model View Controller, and I'm actually gonna use that one. If we started from empty, we would have to create all the views from scratch and basically code what the template already provides for us. So it's easier just to modify the template than starting to create everything from scratch when it really is just the HTML and CSS in the views, so it's not really the core subject of this project or of this course. So we are going to be working with ASP.NET Core 3.1, so select that. And we are not going to be using HTTPS, so I'm going to uncheck that. And I'll click Create. And the project was created, so fairly simple. Now the template provided us with some folder structure. We have the www root, which has the libraries for CSS and JavaScript, as well as Bootstrap if we want to use that. And it has the controllers folder, models folder, and views folder. And like I said, the views folder has the files that I didn't feel like creating again, like the underscore layout, which is the main layout view, as well as this view imports, view starts, and so on. Now I'm actually going to remove some of these. So let's go to controllers, and I'm going to delete the home controller. We are going to be, of course, using controllers, but I'm gonna use different ones. I'll name them differently. So I'll delete that one. In the models, I'll delete that as well. We don't need any model there right now. And in the views, I'm going to delete the validation script partial. So I'll delete that view as well as the error view. So just a quick cleanup. And now we are ready to start using this project and start creating our MVC app.